the body in the river, floating peacefully past my eyes. And even though it's been dead since winter, its pretty smile's been preserved in the ice. I pulled it out with a simple "how are you?", speechless or a little bit shy. And then the mouth moved, "I love you," said the body in a voice like mine. Puppet love, I want your puppet love. It's never, never, never gonna break my heart. A puppet love, I want your puppet love. You're never, never, never gonna break my heart, baby. I just wrote that 2 days ago. I don't know if we'll put it out. It's pretty twisted. It's about finding a dead body in the river and falling in love with it because it can't hurt you. Well, I know this is inconstruable, was suicidal before I got on a knee and I said, "Hey beautiful, blink once if you'll be my bride." Now you may say that I'm unusual, I don't know. You may say that I'm unusual, certifiable just 'cause I had the wedding at the funeral. Till death do us part, since it did us right. Puppet love, I call it puppet love. It's never, never, never gonna break my heart. Puppet love, I want your puppet love. You're never, never, never gonna break my heart, baby.